dari Opa Sugiono.
Bukan Pak.
Oh, bukan.
Bukan.
Langsung dari Jepang, jadi perwakilan Piaa dari Jepang sama Malaysia.
Oh, that's you current. They still have a lot of JK too? JK also?
JK, Oka.
Oh yeah, one generation older. Yeah.
But I think not big different, right?
Looks well, if you're a Jeep guy, then you can tell. Unless just JL has light here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, all Jeep.
I think this one I should put the LPX, you know? It years. Oh, photo shoot, social media later.
Social media.
Instagram,
IG, YouTube,
TikTok.
Want me to dance? American car, American lamp. It makes sense. Yeah.
Makes sense, huh?
Yes,
USA.
It's okay. We'll just keep it open.
Ini dari Piaa Indonesia kita bantu dijelaskan translate sedikit lah. Jadi kita nyambung juga ngobrolnya.
Jadi beliau dari Piaa Jepang dan beliau dari
Piaa Malaysia.
Malaysia yang menangani Indonesia, Filipina, Brunei, Singapura.
Yeah, all under him. So yeah, he does all Southeast Asia. So they come along together.
Mereka sangat berterima kasih dengan support yang telah diberikan oleh Planet Jeep dan diharapkan kedepannya Piaa akan lebih besar di sini.
Amin.
Thank you. Terima kasih banyak.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Man, it's very impressive shop. Yes, first time. You started business with 1 year?
One
1 year with Piaa?
Kurang lebih setahun. 8 sampai 1 tahun. Tapi hasilnya
bagus.
So question, lamps. So I know you have Piaa, you have like the Rigid, you have other brands, IPF. Customer come in and they just choose what they want, or how if they like American style, they go with Rigid, or how do they decide which brand to go with? Is it budget or is it style?
Maksudnya kalau ada customer kan, kalau mereka nak cari ni lampu-lampu kan, biasa mereka akan cari jenama rigid ke atau jenama Piaa, atau mereka akan cari harga yang mereka boleh accept punya harga.
Oh, memang sebenarnya identitas Jeep itu lebih ke rigid. Yang pertama rigid. Biasanya lebih banyak dicari itu rigid, tapi pelan-pelan karena bisa dibilang lumayan banyak yang percaya dengan Planet Jeep, bisa kita arahkan, kita kenalkan dengan produk Piaa. Nah, makanya sekarang produk Piaa itu mulai masuk juga ke dunia Jeep Indonesia. Beberapa produk Piaa super Spotlight,
2000 series.
2000 series,
LP 530. Okay. So we are saying that most of the customer first time they come to the shop, first of course they will go for the rigid.
I see.
And then slowly, like when people they have the option, it's because Piaa so for people they have the option, to choose for Piaa lamp, and then he say now Piaa, slowly will be introduced in the Jeep
very good.
community in Indonesia,
nice.
So people start to accept.
Do people, customer, they know Piaa or never heard of?
Oh, sudah.
Oh no,
Sudah tahu.
They know lah.
they know Piaa.
Sebenarnya di Indonesia lebih terkenal di mobil rally.
Rally.
Jadi kalau untuk masuk ke dunia Jeep memang bisa dibilang baru.
Oke.
Kalau nama Piaa itu sudah lama.
Ya, memang
di Indonesia. Jadi sudah banyak
60 tahun. Piaa.
Sudah terkenal,
60 years.
Sudah. Very famous.
Okay. So he say most of the people they know Piaa very well is because of the rally that they see. But for Jeep community, they very fresh, Just get to know.
I see. Okay.
Jeep specialist. This is a Jeep specialist. Rigid mahal ke atau Piaa mahal di sini?
Same or?
Harga jualan?
Hampir sama.
Hampir sama.
Iya.
Kalau di Malaysia rigid punya harga kan Memang mahal, memang tinggi.
Lebih mahal ya.
Kalau compare dengan Piaa.
What is the trend, or because these things kind of like fashion? What is the latest trend for a Jeep guy? Like a round lamp, or a bar lamp, or a square? What is the trend now? Can you guess?
Like
Bar lamp,
These ones?
yeah. Yes, 20 inch, around 7 inch. Jadi yang biasa kita order dengan Piaa itu memang yang biasa dicari sama Jeep owner. Karena kebutuhan di Jeep itu seperti 50 inci untuk dipasang di atas ke depan. Ini biasanya untuk di front bumper. Ini juga bisa opsional di front bumper. Ini
atau di A-pillar sana.
A-pillar.
A-pillar.
Yeah. Dalam waktu dekat mau touring, all Jeep.
Badannya
Bila?
9 sampai 12 Maret.
9 inch. So 9 inches.
Oh, new product.
New product.
Yes, it's just coming in.
Ini produk baru.
Yeah, so it's much powerful compared to the LP. So this is 9 inch. The LP is 7 inch. So we also have a 7 too. This is Defender, but it's this size. Yeah, yeah. So we did some jungle shooting in the Philippines. We did some video shooting. But it has a DRL.
Function.
Yes,
Function.
and function on it, and of course, well, this. So it also comes with a stone guard too, the classic stone guard, the striped stone guard, as Piaa's icon. And the round one is this one, and we also have new light bars too.
Light bar baru.
Up to 50 inch. This is
Single row.
this single row.
Single row.
Lumennya berapa?
Lumen, if you want to
lumen
know
lah.
what is the lumen for this one? Dia punya lumen.
23.850.
Yes.
Lumens
When
too.
this product ready to order?
It's coming
Yes,
soon. It's coming
it's
in.
ready
Yes,
to
yes,
order, it's
coming
coming
in.
Sebab last year kan, kami dapat order yang besar dari Filipina.
Pak Dedo, saya bilang sama dia, itu kan 20 in. Masa saya nggak dikasih space satu pun di sini? Saya kirim satu ya. Oke, siap.
Yang 10 juga ya, Pak?
Yang 10 katanya minta.
Ada.
Ada.
Yang single row.
Iya, ada.
Buat di situ tuh. Kita butuh
Itu
dua.
butuh.
Depends lah. This one is very hard to judge, you know. Yeah, but
Up to the customer.
yes, but to them, of course, customer come in. I want you to install everything. If you just come here, you just install light wiper. The one is very small. Biasa semua projek-projek besar kan, kalau mereka datang.
Ini salah satu proyek besar yang kita
Big project.
bikin.
Billion.
1
For one
Billion.
location?
Point
1.3 billion.
Wow.
Ini ya, yang tadi disebutkan yang punya Krishna oleh Bali.
So this is your work here.
Okay.
Very good.
Beli yang baru terus hantar sini.
Iya.
Say some of the Jeep owner they buy the brand new Jeep.
Okay.
So the Jeep after they buy, they direct send here to do the modification. They won't care about the warranty. They don't care.
Just go
They
do
just
it.
want to do it. This is people they saw it.
Yeah.
Fresh from showroom.
Segar dari showroom. Fresh,
Come straight.
come straight.
0 kilometers.
Apa dia bikin? Bumper, suspension, semua.
lighting. Nah, ini hasilnya.
Ya. Kalau di Malaysia bisa kalau Jeep owner baru kan, mereka takut. Jangan, nanti warranty tak ada. 5 tahun, oke saya baru suka. After 5 years. The could change.
He's our captain of Indonesia.
Captain
Yes, yeah. Yeah, captain. It's we depend on you, man.
Ya.
I like to give him pressure.
Ngerti nggak sih? Iya aja.
Iya aja.
Parah.
Ya pokoknya gitu, kita habis diswonin, habis dikunjungi dari pihak Piaa, langsung dari jauh banget nih, dari negeri Sakura, dari Jepang, sama satu lagi tadi dari Malaysia. Lupa lagi tadi nanya namanya siapa. Nah, pokoknya ya itulah, dari Jepang sama Malaysia. Thank you ya sudah ikutin kita, sudah nonton video ini. Dadah.